Hey, beautiful. So good to be with you. Well, to paraphrase the great words of one of the most magnificent orators in the world, Martin Luther King, I'm going to say, I too have a dream. I created the Evolving Sisters Network because I have a dream of abundance for all. I have a dream that inside of the Evolving Sisters Network, women will make their fortunes. They will give their deepest gifts and they will make money doing it. They will support the work of transformation and they'll make money doing it. I get excited when I say that. And so how do I imagine that happening? Well, I will say that I imagine that I have the starting point and that the evolution of it is co-created. But the starting point is that inside of the Evolving Sisters Network, it becomes a platform for education, for soul education, for our evolution, in which the courses and the sister power circles are supported by women inside the network. It's a grassroots effort. It's people coming into their genius, coming into their voice, coming into being seen, coming into their leadership. And if you remember what I said about leadership, that is owning your authority. Check out that video if you haven't watched that, because it's really important to how I see the network running. It's that figure eight. It's that giving and receiving. It's the fact that we teach and we learn. And that is the flow and the way of it. We're never just sitting on a pedestal, untouched in an ivory tower. No way. Life is too interesting. Life is too messy. Life is too experimental for that level of being removed. The juice is on the mat. So my vision is to support women to get on the mat, to be seen, to access their voice, to begin speaking, to have a community of awakened women who are access to their power, who are access to their voice, who know that they matter and are willing to take a stand, are willing to stand and own their own authority. And from there, we create courses that are in service to the collective. From there, we hold circles of women to support real-time processing. From there, we have a bigger membership community where people can come in and go on a pathway. Maybe your pathway is a healing pathway. Maybe you're just discovering your sacred wound. Maybe you're just discovering shadow work. Maybe you are a veteran and you're coming into your voice because you've been behind the scenes. You've been the one to serve. You've been the one to do all these one-off sessions to heal people. And now we get to learn from you. What are the things you know? That's what we want to do inside of the Evolving Sisters Network. It's a place for awakened women to come together, to be with each other, and to normalize being spiritual, being evolved, and being a powerhouse inside the 3D world. It's where 5D and 3D meet. It's where East meets West. It's where masculine meets feminine. It's the place of unity. It's the place of wholeness. And it is the place for you.